In the heart of India, the Taj Mahal, a symbol of love and beauty, is located in a modern and technologically advanced city. Visitors marvel at the blend of classic architecture and modern innovations. The Taj Mahal is radiant and beautiful, surrounded by stunning structures and cutting-edge technologies. Over time, the Taj Mahal transforms into one of the world's top tourist attractions. A transparent dome envelops it, ensuring its protection. The surrounding gardens have become smart parks, showcasing green technologies. Visitors enjoy an unforgettable experience and use augmented reality technologies to learn about the history of the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal becomes a symbol of collaboration between humanity and nature. The structure hovers in the sky, supported by anti-gravity technology. The surrounding city is filled with vertical forests and smart ecosystems. The Taj Mahal evolves into a scientific and cultural center where humans and technology interact. Then, the Taj Mahal transforms into a metaphysical entity. It completely separates from the physical world and becomes a cosmic force, connecting all living beings together. Visitors perceive this experience as a spiritual journey as luminous beings. In this vast universe, where energy and consciousness are intertwined, the lessons of the Taj Mahal encourage all to seek unity and harmony. Its story is a testament to the power of love and the unbreakable bonds that exist among all forms of life. As we reflect on this journey, we are reminded that the true essence of the Taj Mahal will forever illuminate our paths, guiding us towards a future filled with peace, understanding, and connection. The Taj Mahal becomes a universal truth, intertwined with the cosmic energy and collective consciousness of all living beings. Time and space are no longer recognized as barriers. Humans travel as beings of energy and awareness, connecting with the Taj Mahal as the essence of truth existing at the heart of the universe. Ultimately, the Taj Mahal transforms into an unlimited force that encompasses all realities. The structure no longer has a physical existence. Instead, it becomes an eternal truth that intertwines all dimensions and timelines. Humans are no longer physical beings, but exist as aware and infinite entities, traversing a pure and boundless space where the Taj Mahal shines forever as a symbol of love, unity, and harmony at the heart of the cosmos. This story is not only about the Taj Mahal, but also about humanity's journey towards awareness, love, and harmony. It serves as a reminder of human values and the deep connections between us and the universe. Thanks for hanging out with us. Don't forget to hit subscribe and let us know what you think in the comments. See you in the next video. The future's getting closer every second. Are you ready?